We don't want patients to be just passive, only so-called study subjects in the development of devices, but also actively participate, give their views on the design or the research process.
I'm Marta Bragagnolo. I'm from Global Heart Hub, which is an international organization representing patients with cardiovascular diseases.
I'm Yasmin Zeisel. I work for the European Patients Forum as a project coordinator. EPF is an umbrella patient organization focusing on chronic diseases with members all across Europe. We're representing the patient voice.
Global Heart Hub, together with the European Patients Forum, are the two patients' organizations representing patients' voices within the consortium. Our role is to make sure that patient voices are incorporated in every aspect of the project activities and outputs.
That involves, on the one hand, setting up a patient advisory group. So these are 11 patients with lived experience who will consult on different aspects of the project.
We have patients stemming from cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, neurological diseases, and these help us to gather different inputs based on their different backgrounds.
It's a really multifaceted group, and that was really the goal, to bring different perspectives and people with different opinions into this group to represent different walks of life. Their main role as a patient advisory group is to bring their lived experience to the project. They live with their condition, many of them for many years. So that's a very unique perspective that needs to be taken into account to create ultimately devices that meet patients' needs, to have a more tailored approach.
And since this project aims at creating a harmonized approach to early feasibility studies, it's necessary that patients have their voices in all the discussions, because early feasibility studies aim to provide a sort of solution to those patients that do not currently have a treatment, or the treatment has not finalized yet. So it's important to have the patients to know whether they would like to take those risks or what would they like to improve in their treatment options.
It's important for this project to take place in Europe because we want to maintain innovation in terms of medical devices in Europe and investment in this area. And this ultimately benefits patients as well.
It aims at defining a common approach so that everywhere in Europe, all early feasibility studies are treated the same way. This will also impact patients and patients' organization because there's a common framework to work with and not a differentiation that may discriminate patients in certain countries rather than in others.